I'm waiting to become a father so I can stop getting into trouble.
Trust me, it's not gonna help you, bro.
क्या बदलता है fatherhood की वजह से?
It's changing every day, bro. Like, see, when you're single, when you're not married, when you don't have a child, you feel ਜਦੋਂ मैं father हो गया ना, like, you know, when I become a father, this is what will happen. But you're just thinking about the first day, or maybe the first month, or maybe the first year. That's gonna go away in some time. It's ever evolving.
How old is Sada now?
She's gonna turn 3 now.
Wow.
Yes. So
बताओ
touch wood. Nothing, like, it's just like, it's scary. Initially it was very scary. Okay, मैं लगा था यार मैं तो आप नहीं पता कुछ, like, you know, मैं क्या बताऊंगा उसे. I definitely, it's just weird, man. Like, आपको लगता है कि maybe, I don't know, like, initially you want to protect your child from all the evil in the world and you feel you're just, you know, safeguard her. But then at the same time you feel that if she doesn't experience life, you know, she'll always be, you know, she'll be living in that bubble. So it's changing. पहले मुझे लगता था कि मैं वो दीवार बन के खड़ जाऊंगा हर एक चीज़ में, you know, I'm going to protect my child. But now I feel like she does need to understand, you know, what life has to offer, because अगर मैं वो दीवार बन गया तो सारी learning भी रोक दूंगा, you know. So adversity brings out the true character. So now, but she's too young. So, and it's only a lot of times you have, you know, grown-ups, you know, still being children. So it's just when and how you sort of introduce her to the reality. That's the confusion.
उनके साथ भी प्राइवेट पॉडकास्ट करते हो?
She's too young, man.
बताते हो चीज़ें?
नहीं, हड़े नहीं. हड़े नहीं. मैं चाहता भी नहीं. मुझे लगता है कि there will be time when she would wanna ask. She would wanna know. When she has a question, I shall have an answer. Yeah. Or else, you know, you just waste your words. And I don't want to do that with my child. You know, I feel I want to be that one person she comes down to and you know, comes with a question.
सदा जानती है कि who परमीश वर्मा is?
Yes and no.
Okay.
But she doesn't care.
She understands something?
I don't think so, bro. Like, she does. She knows that it's my dad's song, but she doesn't understand that, you know, हर बंदे का song नहीं होता. She's like, मोआना दा भी song हुंदा है ते dad दा भी song हुंदा है ना. So I think it's that. But she will, I think, with time.
एक इंसान ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट हो जाता है पेरेंटहुड की वजह से?
Define soft.
मे बी सॉफ्टर टू योरसेल्फ.
Maybe. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ a lot of times, like, I feel I'm in a very power position right now. मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी दी मैं उस पॉइंट पे हूँ जहाँ, like, I have control over a lot of things, and I'm not talking about business, finance, or, you know, my career. In general, like, I'm in control. But एक ही जगह है जहाँ मैं लाचार, बेबस. That's my daughter, you know, and in a good way. You know, like, nothing works. Like, अगर उससे बात हो गई, then I'm gonna have a peaceful sleep. If I couldn't talk to her, I'll be up all night. Like, I know, like, none of my books will help. You know, none of my, like, कुछ भी कर लूँ, like, I won't be able to sleep if I haven't spoken to my daughter. That's, you know, that's the power that she has. But I think that's good. I've consciously done that. And what if मैं इस चीज़ को ऐसे देखता हूँ कि मैं अपनी सारी वनरेबिलिटी इकट्ठी करके अपने बच्चे को रखती है ना, कि दिस इज इट, यू आर अलाउड टू डू एनीथिंग यू वांट टू विद दिस. उस तो बिना होर मैं सारे किते ना सीमेंटेड हो गया. सो इट वॉज माई पेरेंट्स, दे स्टिल आर, बट आई थिंक ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵਨਰੇਬਿਲਟੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਦੀ ਡਾਟਰ ਕੋਲੇ ਸਾਂਭ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲਈ ਜੀ.
ਵਾਈਫ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਚਲੋ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਹੈ. But I think with my daughter, I think that's where, like, sometimes I would call her, she's on the phone, she's playing, she doesn't want to talk to me. Then I go, Sada, मैं phone katta? She goes, nope. Like, just sit there, I'm going to ignore you. So I think I love that, bro.
Is parenthood the purpose of life?
Like, how do you define parenthood?
It's a chance to live your childhood again, I think.
And you do it right.
Yeah.
You try and do it right.
Yeah. and you try, I think you try blocking your child away from the generational trauma you are carrying. You're trying to cut that chain. यही है?
Yes, I feel जैसे it's also you living your adolescence as well through your child, you know, and your youth. So I feel parenthood ਨਾ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਉਹਨੂੰ 5, 10, 15 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਤੱਕ ਹੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Because I feel when I needed my parents the most is when I was 17, I was 15. I was by myself. I did not have anybody to go to. I didn't have anybody to talk to because, you know, the stuff that I was dealing with then would have, you know, I just didn't have anyone then to share that. Trauma ਕਹਿ ਲਓ ਜਾਂ adversity ਕਹਿ ਲਓ ਜਾਂ struggle ਕਹਿ ਲਓ, whatever.
Teenage sadness.
Teenage sadness ਕਹਿ ਲਓ ਜਾਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਅਸਲ 'ਚ ਨਾ ਵੀਰੇ ਮੈਂ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ let's say if we were doing this maybe a couple of years ago, I would have been more specific with words ki, you know, that was my struggle, that was my trauma, but now I don't attach, ਮੈਂ ਉਹ words ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਤੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੂਰ ਜਾ ਚੁੱਕਾ, ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਫੰਬਲ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Because I don't feel my trauma is trauma, I don't feel my baggage is baggage, I don't feel my hardship is hardship. कि जो भी adversity जो भी है, like it was meant to be this way, and I'm very proud of that. You know, the worst times of my life, I'm grateful ke those worst time came to me
At 17?
Even yesterday, the shit that I dealt with yesterday, I'm glad it happened. I wouldn't have wanted my life any other way. You know, when it comes down to parenthood, I want my child to have कि यार dad ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਕਿ what does he think. ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਬਸ ਉਹ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ 5, 10, 15 ਸਾਲ ਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਮੋਨੀਟਰ ਕਰ ਲਓ, eventually they will be an individual. Eventually they will see through the bullshit, you know. So, and when they actually experience life, and I want my daughter to experience life firsthand, you know, I want to see ਕਿ ਅੱਛਾ ਯਾਰ ਇਹ ਸੁੱਖ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਦੁੱਖ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਗਲਤ ਹੈ, ਐਵੇਂ ਹੈ, ਐਵੇਂ ਕਨਫਿਊਜ਼ਨ ਹੈ, this is being and then I want to be there ਕਿ this is what do you feel. So I feel ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੰਬਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ. ਮੈਂ ਨੋਟਿਸ ਕੀਤਾ like even with our parents now, we love our parents to bits, you know, but sometimes you just can't sit and have that conversation. The perspective might be different. You might share something, my dad might give me a lot of wisdom, philosophy to understand life, ਪਰ ਕਈ ਏਰੀਆਜ਼ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਲਾਹ ਨਾ ਲੈ ਸਕਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਛ ਬਾतें हैं जो आज भी मैं नहीं कर सकता. Even though I had a great relationship with my dad, you know, I've always been very open, and you know, my relationship with my father was probably more open than any of my friends, but I still feel ਕਿ ਉਹ ਗੈਪ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ. ਸੋ ਆਈ ਫੀਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਹੁੱਡ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਮਰ ਮੈਂ ਨਿਭਾ ਸਕਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੋਸਤ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਹੋਵਾਂ. ਸੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਰਨੀ ਬੜੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਪਊਗੀ, ਯੂ ਨੋ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਰੈਫਰੈਂਸਿੰਗ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਵਾਟ ਮਾਈ ਫਾਦਰ ਇਜ਼ ਡਨ. ਯਾਰ ਘੈਂਟ ਬੰਦਾ ਸੀ. ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਪੋਡਕਾਸਟ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ, ਵਾਈ ਡੂ ਵੀ ਲਿਸਨ ਟੂ ਆਲ ਥੀਸ ਪੋਡਕਾਸਟ? ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਵੀ ਫੀਲ ਯਾਰ ਥੀਸ ਗਾਈਜ਼ ਦੇਵ ਡਨ ਸਮਥਿੰਗ ਇਨ ਦੇਅਰ ਲਾਈਫ. You know, you listen to Jordan Peterson, you listen to all these amazing people who have something to share, you know, who hold you accountable ke dekh, this way you're wrong. They're not saying nice things to you. A lot of times they hold you accountable for your So I feel to be able to be that for my child, I have to be the best version of myself. I have to, and I'm not saying from a financial standpoint, but I was given a beautiful life. And after a certain point, every single opportunity in this world was open. If I wanted to learn karate, I can start learning karate tomorrow, right? Je main opportunity nahi avail kita, and I sat at home and just chilled with my friends. And फिर मैं अपने potential ਦੇ 100% ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਿਆ. ਵੈਸੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ successful ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਊਗਾ. So I feel ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ parenthood ਉਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ your purpose of life also reflects on your parenthood. And I want my daughter to sort of look up to, you know, the journey and say, yeah, you know, I want part of that experience. I want to know more about that experience. That's how I look at it now, I feel.